Hello, who is it?
Hey, real quick, this site's AI name from Sunray. I know I'm calling kinda out of the blue, but can I just steal like 2 minutes of your time real quick?
No, I'm very busy, but just tell me faster. What are you calling me for?
Yeah, totally get that. I'll be super quick, promise. We're actually doing zero upfront cost solar. You the homeowner, right?
Yes, I'm the homeowner.
Gotcha. And you've seen those power bills creeping up lately?
Kinda, but they're not even that much.
Fair enough. Just curious, how's your roof looking? In decent shape? No major issues?
Yeah, it's good. Okay, listen up. Call me later. Just cut this call, right? Bye. Well, solar businesses, you just saw what that was. Solar trading businesses, this thing is something which has totally changed the game. You can build this into your business on calling your clients like 24/7. This thing doesn't stop. It was an AI. You can get this into your business. Speak it in any language. It can speak in any language, in any accent. You saw that it was speaking in a different accent, not an exact American accent. You can get it to speak in an American accent, and British accent, any kind of accent you want it to speak in. And not just that, you can even get this into your business with 5 simple steps. And what are those steps? Let's just find out in this video. Right now, currently I'm on Vapy.ai, which is the tool which you guys are going to use to create these AI voice agents. So right now you can see this is the dashboard and how it looks like. Let me just move this. Yeah. So you can see that it is written the total call minutes, number of calls, so you can manage everything like right here. Like if it's in CRM, you can manage it like if it's in CRM, right? So you'll get like how all the stats and everything right here. Every single thing will be shown to you right here. So let's just go on to the main part on how you can build this and what are the exact procedures you need your team to do to start building these type of AI agents. So when I come here, this was the agent which I just spoke to in the starting of the video, which was the solar AI agent. I'll just open it up and show you down here. So it costs me 11 cents a minute. It is like literally nothing. It replies back in less than a second. It replies back in 900 milliseconds, which is a pretty good replying back rate. And it is going to use an open source model of an OpenAI model, which is going to be in GPT-4 mini. You can use any model here. You can go for Anthropic, Google, Custom LLM, Grok, Cerberus, DeepSeek, any of them. You can see here you can modify how it will speak. The first message, as you can see in the AI call, it said hello. Then it was going ahead and saying all those different things. So you can see you're an AI cold caller for a Sunray Energy Solutions and a solar company offering premium $0 down solar. So this is just like in demo caller. You can see how it works, right? I'll just leave that alone. Open the model. So here you have to make the entire model. In that you have to give it a script and prompt, teach it how it will work, how it will talk with the clients. It is usually an LLM which you have to give it to train it on, and data. You have to go in a transcriber. So in transcriber, basically what it does is it does the translating work. So basically it'll get the thing which the user said to the AI, give it to the AI, get the response back based on the literature which it'll provide, and then transcribe it for the AI or the computer language if you guys know about it. So use numerals. So what I did was, if you heard, so it was saying 4060. That was an intentional thing which I did. So you can convert numbers from words to digits in transcriptions. That's the reason I turn it on. In my AI script specifically, in talking in real estate or anything, it won't be saying like 1,000,000,000, not like that, right? Then voice, you can get any voice here. You can import and voice from 11 Labs. The one I was using here is known as Ethan, and you can get any voice here yourself. Then you can go in additional configurations. In additional configurations, you can add in background sort of an office. There, typing is going on, papers, writing, pens, people talking, calls ringing, and all those things, so that it feels like a real human is talking. So that was in basic rundown of the software Vapy.ai, which you can use for creating these AI voice agents. Now this software is a very complex software, so only developers or people who know actually how to use this can actually make these AI callers like the one I did, or you can even make it very better. This one I did was just made like within an hour. So the ones I make for my clients, when I make for agencies and the real estate agencies in India, in Dubai, and even in the US, so those things are magnificent. you can't even recognize if they're humans or they're not humans. So it is pretty interesting. And this thing for solar businesses is pretty revolutionizing because it costs not a lot. It's saving you a lot of money and also bringing in a lot of money because it can call 10 people at the same time. Yes, you heard it right. And it can even speak their Indian language. For example, you're in very wide diaspora market. So you can have this AI to speak multiple languages. You can have it speak Hindi, you can have it speak Japanese, you can have it speak Chinese, you can have it speak any XYZ language. So it sounds like the person they're talking to, it will give you an extra competitive edge in getting into their business and doing solar work for them. And this is going to be very, very, very interesting into your business. So if you want to know how you can get this, we provided 3 ways. Either you can learn to do it with your tech team, either you can go for a done with us service, right, where you will be making it, but we will teach you how to make it and make the basic model for you. Or either you can go for a done for you service, in which you leave everything on to us, we do it for you. The learn to do, we give you all the resources, we teach you, we give you all the basic teachers, and we help you set up an AI live on call. So that's how we work in all these 3 models. So if you want to know more about these, you can go in the description, book a free 30-minute call, or head over to my Instagram and see more of this content. See you soon, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, more of the content is coming up. Stay tuned.